Hi friends, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. At first, a very good afternoon to all of you, and since today is Sunday, so we will keep this video short and effective. So in our last class, we have learnt about split and combine command in Tekla Structures, and today we will learn how you can search for any application effectively in Tekla Structures. So for that, we are going to use Tekla Online. So over here you can find Tekla Online. All you have to do is to click over here and it will open up a search bar for you, and you can find any application related to your model. For example, I want a handrail in my model, so I will look for handrail, and it will give me a bunch of options like export handrail drawings from leisure overlay, handrail panels, and there are many more things over here. So you can download whatever is needed. So for that, all you have to do is to select whatever you want and then click on it. It will redirect you to the web page. So you can see it is taking some time to log in, and now it will give me all the information related to handrail over here. Even if you want to search for the applications, you can also search from here. Like I want to search for the staircase, so I will just type in a staircase and hit enter, and it has given me 13 digits for the staircase. From here you can also select your software version and your content area along with the task, environment and tags. So this was an effective way of searching anything in Tekla Structures related to your project. I hope this video and this trick will help you a lot in completing your project. And if you want to join our professional training for Tekla Structures, then you can just give a call on this number. And in this training, we will cover all these points like how you can study the structural drawings, introduction of Tekla Structures, creation of the grid lines, modeling, application box, reinforcement detailing, drawings, and also the report generation, that is rebar scheduling. So that was all for today. See you in the next video.